Rengkat bat keri berokowai ke jela Meghalaya ha kesantrik unai luar arhajar arpuar kalarakhe ya kesini buram kinohikai ne ke Teachers Day ke bahan rupuwai. Bat ke jengrakhe ke bakam he ke dege bela penlong ha usoso tham auditorium da ke tenat pulih putih jong ke jela da ke basam pusnam kinohikai ke bela nak senyang melang salang bat ke jela berokowai. Menteri ke tenat pulih putih ke jela ba ala kemen remboi kum ukongsan. Rengkat ke jingran lang Commissioner Secretary Ketenat Pulih Putih BDR Tiwari, Secretary Ketenat Pulih Putih Ambrose CH Marak, kila sami ki khusnam syaki khat laingot kino hikai ki belayo ek State Award, lai pulaingot ki belayo ek District Award, bat kila samru ya ka Special Award bat ki ki khusnam. Uba lakmen romboi ulero ek jing trishtom jokin hikai kamta magapor basa priang ka klam COVID-19. Hak bagi no hikai kila penon kam dagi kor kibor baraji hikai kena ka jela. Barakani gapor kam long ka basuk ki no hikai ban pen kelai ke rukom aji hikai na ki kamera kelas daga baai online ni ki kena. Ulong bagi no hikai kila mat shibun ki jing namar ka jing mamyo renti ek tulap ka jing mamyo ti kena ka tulap bar ka sarkar kan pen ti kena ban shim kiai ki mat jokin no hikai. Uba la kemen rumboi ulong bahagi ni kisau senam tam ka jingi dai jungu begino hikai kelong shipang gi baiet bat shipang pada kadon ka jing bamis tu jingmut iwei bi iwei hendrai kam dai ke belong shimet tang ba kelong haka kam ka bagi trei nalor kani ulong bah ka jela kidon bon kerdan kino hikai bat kelong ka bae ban kentup lang yaki hajo bat ulong bah ka kam hikai kidon kino hikai ki betrish tam shisha hendrai omla apat ban laj bagi dan ruk kino hikai ki bam trish tam ruem. Ya kini kejing rakhele penipu ipiang negi jing ruai bajing shat negi kena jing skul baper kabala pensngu tenat ya baro kibala wan syakani kejing rakhe ya kasngi buram kerpang negi nohikai kabalong kasngi ruban kan mau buram kesingka jong presiden barim gari u Dr. S. Radhakrishnan u balalong unohikai.
Education is not like our parliament. We are dealing with the living fires. We are dealing with the aspiration of each and every student. That in Meghalaya, we have the highest category of teachers. But Harbani just mentioned a few. But I must tell you, I've got 25 categories of teachers in Meghalaya, not only 4 or 5. One section of teachers, they have this. And like that, I just mentioned, why not club it together? How we club the Catholic school, the Christian school, the Malamagulay school, the school shop. It is easier said than done. We do think that this government or previous government don't try to solve it. But it's a giant connectivity. I'm very happy that in the last 5 years I had a love-hate relationship with this community and hate-love relationship with this community. But it's all not personal. It's all professional. If something wrong, and also I am very open in whatever I see. We'll try to do this try because as I said, nothing is personal, everything is professional.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.